The ghost tool lets you create a copy of a variable so you don't need to stretch connectors over long distances. It is also useful for hiding mechanical calculations that would otherwise clutter the essential story you're trying to tell. In the Build toolbar, select the Ghost tool and then select the variable you would like to be ghosted. For this example, we will ghost the population stock. You can then go and place the ghosted population stock anywhere in your diagram. Note the dotted line around the stock. This lets you know that it is a ghosted stock and not the original stock. We are now going to connect this ghosted population stock to consuming flow and can now define the consuming flow as population times resources consumed per person.